Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how we can use group by clause with order by in Spark SQL. So what group by do? Group by is used to group the row which have the same values. Group by statement is used with aggregate function such as min, max, sum, count and average. So what does it mean? It means group by statement, it will going to create a collection of same type of records, and on top of the collection which we have created with the help of a group by clause, we can perform aggregate functions such as what is the minimum of that particular collection, what is the minimum of a particular value of a particular column in that particular collection, what is the sum of all the value of a particular column on that particular collection. So this kind of aggregate function we can use. And suppose we want to order the resultant data set which we have created with the help of a group by an aggregate function, we can order it with the help of order by clause in ascending order and with descending order. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am just creating a table. These are the attributes of the table, and the type of the table is delta. And I am going to insert almost 12 records with the help of an insert statement. So let's first create the table and insert some data into it. And after that, we will see how we can perform order by clause in group by statement. So let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook is as a group by with order by. Let's first create a table. What is the name of the table? AP, AP employee for group by with order by. These are the attributes. AP salary, AP state, AP state is of string type, and AP the type of the table is delta. Run it. The table has been created successfully. We can validate from here only. This is the catalog, and we can see this AP employer for group by with order by table has been created successfully in default database. Let me insert some records in this table. So for this, I have already created the insert statement to, otherwise it will take more time. Let me copy it and let me paste in this command cell and run it. Spark is executing this insert statement one by one to insert records in this table. Let's wait till all insert statement run successfully. Okay, so all the insert statement has been completed successfully. Let's do a select to see all the records, all these records inserted in this table or not. Select star from this table, run it. Okay, we can see these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Let's go to the PPT. What we are doing here, we are writing a query. In the query, what we are doing, we are using the group by statement, making a collection of data based on the value which is present in AP state. On each collection, we are performing our aggregate function AP summary. And what we are doing, we are saying that, and this is the alias name of this aggregate function, and we are saying that order the resultant data which we are getting with the help of a group by and aggregate function, arrange it, order it in descending order. Same here, we are doing our average aggregate over the top of the group by statement on the row on column AP state, and we are saying order the resultant data in ascending order. So let's write this query over the Databricks and see the resultant data set, how it is ordered with the help of a order by clause, ascending order and in descending order. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's write the query, select AP state from this table, group by AP state. Okay, let's do a aggregate on top of this collection of data based on the AP state. Then first I am going to do, let's sorry, let's do here AP state, then sum AP salary, run it. So here it is getting what is the sum of the salary on each state. Let me give a alias AP sum salary. Let me format this cell, run it. Okay, now let's arrange this data in ascending order or in descending order based on a column. So here, how we are going to do, group by AP state, order by AP, sum salary, and how we want to order it. Let's order it with in ascending format. Let's run it. We can see, let me just format it again. So here the resultant data set has been organized or ordered with the help of ascending order on the top of this AP sum salary. So in the ascending order, if it is an integer, so how it will going to order in ascending order from lowest to highest. Now let's organize, let's order it in descending order. Let me paste it, and let's order in descending order. DES descending. Let's run it. So this AP summary is an integer. So in the descending order, how it will going to organize? It will organize from the highest to lowest. So that's why this is the highest one. This is the lowest one. Let's see. Let's perform a average aggregate function and organize the data in descending order. AVG here. Let me write AVG, and here also let me write AVG, right, and run it. So first highest average and then the lowest average. Let's do another aggregate function. Let's see min and max. Okay. First let's do min, and then let's rename this aggregate this alias as min salary, and now run it. So descending order minimum, it is from highest to lowest. Now let's see for the maximum. Let's do max run it. See, max salary is this one, and it is organized in descending order, highest to lowest. So in this exercise, we have seen how to use group by statement with the help of an aggregate function, and how can we arrange the data which we have get from group by and aggregate function. We can arrange it with the help of an order by clause in ascending order as well as in descending order. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.